up from the sea, always reaching up for the sky.
I know you're here to help us teach a valuable lesson today about citizenship. Being respectful and a responsible American is a value that we teach at Roosevelt.
America.
We got to do so many different things, not just shooting cannons, but also getting to meet people, driving around the countryside, getting to learn about farming in little areas in Afghanistan.
Who can remember the name of the first woman Army helicopter pilot? You are the winner of United States Army Garrison Fort Huachuca, who I flew for.
We have a very, very important football game that's going to take place. The Army-Navy game.
America strong and free. Army, America.